Hi there, I'm a cat. Let me tell you a bit about myself. I am an intelligent and social animal, often found hanging out with humans and making them my favorite companions. I come in various breeds, colors, and patterns, each with their own unique characteristics and personalities. As a cat, I love playing and cuddling, but I also enjoy exploring my surroundings and getting my paws dirty. I am an excellent hunter and can be seen lounging round the house with a mouse or bird in my mouth. My owner has the opportunity to enjoy my playful antics while also taking care of me daily, such as feeding me, grooming me, and making sure I am comfortable. I thrive in a home with another cat or a family of cats, as well as plenty of toys and opportunities for exercise. My owner must be prepared for the responsibilities of cat care, such as providing me with proper nutrition, a clean environment, and plenty of love and attention with the right home and owner. A cat can live a happy and fulfilling life. So, there you have it. I am a fascinating and lovable creature, ready to make your home a second home. One million prescribers, can we get that? Please, and thank you. Like and prescribe and share video so I can get to 1 million.